Hey everyone, just wanted to ask everyone if they would like me to start posting more videos of my work. I rebuild tires for a living. I guess you could call it that. I guess let me know down in the comment section. And if you like just random content and real life stuff in general, I guess subscribe, like, or whatever. Just trying to see what's up. But either way, I guess just like pretty much like I redo shit and stuff. Just basic tire stuff. We do like big sections in tires. Like big sections. And we rebuild tires as well. We take off the old rubber and put new rubber on it with like crazy machines. Everything's off right now, but yeah, nothing's on right now, but it's a pretty slow day. It's Friday, and yeah, so I don't know. I guess let me know. I post just about my life. Basically, I guess just like a blog or whatever you want to call it. I like car things too, so I post audio and car videos as well. Pretty much, I'm going to just start posting more about just in general real life stuff. I don't do all that fake stuff, so I don't know, like, I'm a real person, so I don't know what you want to, but just let me know what more I can do or whatever. Don't really matter. Still gonna just post what's real to me. But yeah, I guess just let me know. Alright everyone, so have a good day.